If you are considering doing a maternity photo shoot and you are wondering how does it work, I'm going to let you know how it typically goes in this video. What's going on to all of my married expectant parents? I am Jaylin Jet Dorsey-Mitchell, and I am an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video, I'm going to show you how maternity photo shoot experience works. Well, honestly, every maternity photographer's experience is different, but I'm going to give you what our experience is so you can have an idea what to look for. So the first step in our maternity photo shoot experience is you schedule a consultation with us and we get on the phone on Zoom to meet you and your husband, and we talk about the desires of your maternity photo shoot. Once we talk about the desire of your maternity photo shoot and we decide if we are a good fit for you, then you will move on to pay your retainer and start your maternity experience with us. So during up until your shoot is where we have what we call a planning meeting, where we plan your maternity photo shoot and plan your maternity photo shoot with you. Talk about the ideas that you want to accomplish, what you're going to wear, what you're going to, how your hair is, how your makeup going to be, all the little details. We sit there and plan them for you, and also we provide everything for you. Now, from your maternity photo on the day of your maternity photo shoot, we send a sprinter to come pick you up. You have breakfast in the morning, you get a prenatal massage, you get all glammed up from our hair and makeup team, and you take your maternity portraits. We pose you, we tell you what's good, what doesn't look good, and from there you choose your photos right after the shoot, and then you get them in the album and on the walls of your home. So you choose the photos, you actually choose the photos right after your shoot. You choose the photos right after your shoot. We take all the photos that you like, we go and edit them, and then we bring them back to you to choose at what we call an order and reveal session. So at the order and reveal session, you are able to choose the final photos that you want to take home with you. And then we take those finals and put them in an album and also on the walls of your home. So that is an example of what our maternity experience is like. You may not get the same maternity experience from everyone, but I wanted to just come on here and give you an idea of what to possibly look for. So now that you understand how maternity photo shoot works, I want to give you a free gift I created that will help you create an idea for your photo shoot. It's the Maternity Idea Vault, and it includes 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it for you to use as inspiration for your own maternity photo shoot. Just click the link in the description and I'll send it right over to you.